Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn an Adobe Illustrator tutorial where I'm going to show you how to create a sunk in or a deep text that will look like something like this. Let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is select a color, background color on your file. So it can be any color of your choice. After you've selected a color that you want to use in your design, the next thing that you're going to do is press the text button and type in whatever text you want the effect on. You can change the scale and you can also change the font as you wish. Now, after you've done that, you're going to select your text and create outlines from it. The next thing you're going to do is again select your text and you're going to change the color to the background color. If you have strokes turned on for your text, make sure to turn them off. It's going to look something like this. Again, select your entire text, go towards Effect, then 3D, and Extrude and Bevel. Here the position is going to be changed to isometric top and the blend steps to 256, and make sure to press the Draw Hidden Faces. Next, you're going to go towards Object and Expand Appearance. It looks 3D right now, so what you're going to do is now sync in that 3D, and here's how we're going to do that. Select the top faces by holding down the Shift key and only the top faces of all the alphabets that you have typed. Next, you are going to press the Ctrl+X, which is going to cut this, as you can see, and then you're going to press Ctrl+F button, which is going to paste this to the front. Then what you're going to do is go towards Object, Compound Path, and press the Make option. The next thing you're going to do is turn off the path and select all this alphabets and words that you have just typed and go to Clipping Mask and press Make. Now the layer that we have just turned off, we're going to turn it back on, and now you have your sunk in text available to you. This is how you can create a ducked in 3D effect in your text using Adobe Illustrator. If you're interested in more tutorials, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.